Hi, welcome back to my channel. So starting off with this hairstyle, I'm using this Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. And I'm just raking that through my hair. Throughout this whole process of me putting my hair into the bun, I'm trying to keep and not use water on my hair at all so I don't have any waves. But then I went ahead and I'm parting my hair. I'm doing a side part. You can do it on whatever side you want. I do it on this side because I have more hair on this side, so I want my edges to be a little more fuller looking, if that makes sense. But anyways, then I went ahead and I'm making that triangle shape to the front part of my hair. This is something I do when I do my swoop bang hairstyles, and so this is kind of the same thing, and I feel like it's a lot easier doing it this way. And yeah. But anyway, then I went ahead and I put that other side up, and this side I'm just finger detangling a little bit more. Like I said before, I'm trying to keep away from using water the whole process of doing this. And then I'm using my Unjackies, this gel, and then I'm also using some Gorilla Snot. I use the Unjackie stuff because I'm kind of running out of Gorilla Snot, so I kind of made up for that. But anyway, I'm using also a Denmen brush, and this one, you need for sure a Denmen brush or a brush like this to be able to smooth everything down and get all the knots or whatever out. And yeah, but anyway, I'm using that. I use some more Gorilla Snot, and then I'm taking my hard Bristle brush. It's not really all that hard anymore because I've been using it, so I need a new one. And then I went ahead, I slicked that side down, I tied it down, and then I'm doing the same steps to the other side. So once I get that side slicked down everything, I'm using my edge booster, and this is in the scent Blueberry, and I'm using that just for a stronger hold because it is a paste gel or edge control. So I'm using that. I also used it on the back portion just to hold it down a little bit more. And then I went ahead and I'm working on the last section. This one is the hardest section for me to work on, but I went ahead and put more gel on it, and I'm just basically repeating the same steps that I've been doing this whole time. And then of course on this section, I am still using the edge booster on this part just to get it slicked down. Like I said this is the hardest part to do because it's so hard to get it flat. I don't know. I always have a bump there. And yeah, but anyways, I went ahead and did that, and now I'm twisting / braiding my hair, and I'm gonna twist it up into a bun. So this is how my bun is looking. I also did my edges off camera. I came back after. But anyways, then I'm using this. It's a ponytail. It came from one of my. It's called the Sensational half up, half down. It's the ponytail part. But I'm using that, and I'm using the little straight piece of hair, and I'm wrapping that around the base of my bun just to secure it or whatever. I didn't use any bobby pins or anything just because I didn't. But anyways, I'm doing that, and this is how it looked. You can leave it like this into a ponytail, but it's a bun, so, or I'm doing a bun, so I'm using this wider ponytail holder thing, and I'm putting that around the base. It was really hard to do this, but I'm putting it around the base of the ponytail / my bun, and then I'm wrapping the hair around. It's kind of hard to do this, and it's hard to explain it, so you can kind of just watch what I'm doing. This bun is actually one that I did a bun just like this maybe a couple weeks ago, and I was trying to get it to turn out the exact same way. It didn't really turn out the same way, but I tried to kind of replicate it the best I could. But I pulled out some hair because I had it in a messy bun. But anyways, yeah, I'm just pulling out some hair and trying to make it look like how it did before. It's not the exact same, but it probably will never be. But anyways, this is how my hair turned out. I actually liked how it turned out. Like I said, it's not the exact same way that I want it to be, but it's still cute regardless. And yeah. So with all that being said, I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content from me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!